This is a video about heating reactions under reflux. In this video we'll be looking at what is reflux and how it's set up and how to draw it. So what is reflux? Reflux is boiling volatile liquids over an extended period of time to increase the rate and yield of a reaction. In this reaction I've got my yellow reaction solution and I've got some anti-bumping granules. I'm going to put them together to make my reaction in the round bottom flask. The anti-bumping granules are there to ensure smooth boiling. So now I've got my solution with my anti-bumping granules in as well. This is the reflux setup. So I've got a heating mantle heating my round bottom flask and I've got my vertical condenser on top of it. You can see that my reaction mixture is boiling and the vapours are going up the inside of the condenser, and then they're condensing because the condenser is much colder, and then the vapours are condensing and falling back down into the reaction vessel. So by preventing the escape of vapours, we have a number of benefits. It avoids the loss of reactants or products which would decrease the yield. It avoids the risk of fire due to flammable vapours, and it avoids the risk of health problems due to toxic or corrosive vapours. They're all contained within the equipment. Now you'll notice that on top of the condenser it is completely open. The water comes in from the cold tap, through the pipe to the bottom of the condenser, and then the water pushes all of the air out, and then the water comes out at the top. So this ensures that you've got maximum cooling on the inside of the condenser, so all of the vapours will condense and fall back down. Now the next thing we're going to look at is how to draw this setup in 2D. So this is how you draw your reflux setup. You've got your heat with your arrow coming from the bottom, pointing onto the round bottom flask. And then on top of the round bottom flask, vertically, you've got your condenser. You need to show that your water's coming in from the bottom and then the water is going out at the top, and you have got your setup completely open. There is nothing covering the top of the condenser. So we've looked at reflux in this video. You've learnt what reflux is, that it's boiling volatile liquids over an extended period of time to increase the rate and yield of a reaction. You've looked at why we prevent the escape of vapours. It's because it avoids the loss of reactants or products which would decrease the yield, it avoids the risk of fire due to flammable vapours, and it avoids the risk of health problems due to toxic or corrosive vapours.